Hola, clase. ¿Cómo están? Excelente. 3D Coward here. Whoa, whoa. Coming at you. All right, let me take these off. It is really hard to see with those. All right. Sorry, my hair's a little fuzzy. I know it's kind of a weird thing. All right. This time I've got a little bit of a new setup going because I'm getting ready for our Rocket League event on Thursday. So I'm using a different streaming thing. Anyway, so welcome everybody. This is week 2 of quarantine. Hope everybody's getting through it okay. I know I've been going a little stir crazy in my house. Okay, anyway, so first it's time to award the Cowie. I'm going to switch to monitor. Whoa, there's my new program. Pretty slick, I know. Okay, all right. So last time, as you remember, I had the Fez for our Fun Fact Fez Fridays. I got some good things. Shekinah was appreciative of her Cowie. I'm so honored. This will be a moment I'll treasure forever. I know I'm right there with the Shekinah. Fun fact: fezzes are cool from Bella. Fezzes are cool, so are bow ties. A whole bunch of stuff. Good comments. And this time it's going to Vanna Reed. Tell your dad your favorite student said happy birthday. I called dibs on winning the next Cowie. I called dibs. Okay, well, first of all, calm down, Vanna. She also emailed me. She really, really wants this. I would be lying if I said I'm not scared right now. It's the real reason I haven't left my house. But, so let's go back to me. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Vanna, here is your Cowie. You get the idea. You know what it looks like. Okay. All right. So that was that. Now, be sure to get out your notes from last week's por and para lesson because now it's time for the warm up. All right, going back to monitor capture. Ah! Okay, so here's your warm up. There are 8 of them today, but all it is writing por or para. All right, so I'm going to give y'all a minute. Uh, if you want to do this, go ahead and pause now. All right, now remember it was no guessing. Hopefully you used your notes on this. All right, first one. El dinero es por or para Pedro. El dinero es para Pedro because that is the recipient. Recipient. There we go. Okay, number 2. Blank una niña, Sara es muy alta. The answer is para again. This one is showing an exception. Wow, for a little girl, Sarah is really tall. Next one. Gracias por la comida. This is gratitude or an exchange. Thank you for the food. I'm exchanging my gratitude for the food you gave me. Número 4. Hoy vamos. The best answer is para. Okay, it really means today we're going to Publix. That is the direction, destination. Okay, today we're going to Publix. That would be the best one. Por works in a way, but that's more like we're going by Publix. Let's avoid that for now. All right, número 5. Me gusta correr por or para el parque. The best answer is por. I like to run through the park. Okay, I like to run through the park, around the park. If you said para el parque, it's not wrong. It just says I like running to the park, which is fine. You know, either one really, but I was going for por. Yo trabajo mucho por mi hijo de 3 años. That's my motivation. I work a lot because of my 3-year-old son. He is my motivation. He is the reason that I'm working so hard. And this one is different. Mi hermano trabaja para Walmart. My brother works for Walmart. That is employment. Again, that's that direction. Remember the arrow, the para is the ara. So para, he goes to Walmart every day and he works. And the last one, Teresa estudia para sacar buenas notas, which is in order to. Teresa studies in order to get good grades. Okay, so that's the warm up. Again, if you didn't get them all right, that's okay. Even for your teachers, sometimes it can be kind of a tricky, sticky thing. You know, it's just one of those things that you have to just learn and spend time with. Okay, now to review, because we haven't seen this since Friday. Today is Monday. I'm going to just play you the part where I reviewed for my last video because I would be saying the same thing anyway. But I'll watch it with you. Let's have a look. First of all, what did we say is the picture for para? Para is the ara. Para is the arrow because we are describing things like destination, direction, deadline. Okay? I'm going to the school. I need this for tomorrow. Okay, so sometimes we can even add this for the deadline. Okay, but either way, you've got that arrow. Okay, I'm going to the school. I need this for tomorrow, etc. There are a couple of extra little things that this is used for. It also means in order to. Okay, para. For example, a good example is estudio para sacar buenas notas, which means I study in order to get good grades. Okay, we practice in order to win. He works in order to earn a lot of money. Okay, and the other thing was, like we said, an exception. Okay, so we'll add that one too. Exception. So again, that one is like, wow, for a kid, you sure do run really fast. For someone who eats nothing but hamburgers, you're very skinny. I'm showing an exception from what is typical or expected. Okay. One other thing, and you'll see this in a minute, is also an opinion. For example, you would say, para mí, we'll say, para mí, la escuela es importante. For me, in my opinion, school is important. Okay, that's a really clear example of what an opinion looks like. Para mí es importante estudiar. Para mí, Burger King es delicioso. You get the idea. Okay, so those are your little para things. You can write this down. It's a really good way of having everything in one place. You can take a picture on your phone, screenshot it, whatever you want to do. If you want to get this in your notes, go ahead and pause the video now. Whew. Sorry, I was yawning. Whew. Okay. Now that takes care of para. Now let me just delete this off for now. Okay, now por. Who remembers there were two little pictures for por from the video? One was an arrow that looks like this. Okay, and again, this is talking about, like I said, if this is the park and you say the sentence, yo camino por el parque. It means I walk through the park. It's not this direct line like you had before. It's like a wandering. Like I'm walking through the park. I'm going around and looking at things. Maybe I'm walking the dog. And now I have passed through the park. Okay? Even things like looking through the window. This is the window. If I'm looking through it, I'm looking here, I'm looking here, I'm looking here, I'm looking through the window. Okay? And the other picture was the X, okay? Because an X is an exchange. That is when we say something like, te doy $5 por el libro. I give you $5 for the book, okay? I'll give you my sandwich for your apple. We're exchanging things.
And the other thing is even thank you. Gracias por el dinero. Thank you for the money. Even though I'm just telling you things, I am exchanging. You give me the money, I'm giving you my gratitude. We've made an exchange. So, anyway, I'm going to post a video. Hold on. Got a reminder for something. Okay, that was a reminder to call my dad for his birthday. No worries, I'll do it. Okay, anyway, so that was the warm up. Now, this is a sheet that I'm going to post on Google Classroom today.
Okay, now this sheet, again, I've included with your assignment for today. And so, as you can see, at the top is all the different rules. It goes through all the rules. And then at the bottom, this is the practice. And I,
For Octavio Paz. The book was written by Octavio Paz. Okay? And then again, down here,
so here you have, it's like 20 or 25 things. All you need to do is for each one write por or para. And the whole point is that you do not guess, okay? Every single thing you need is in the notes that's on the same exact sheet, okay? Again, you can watch Friday's video because I do spend the time to go through each single thing to give examples, explain each one. It's definitely worth the time if you want to see it again. Again, you will see this on the exam. So there's that. So that's your assignment is go to Google Classroom and complete that sheet and turn it in. Okay? So let's go back to um, class. There. All right, so here I am again. Also, a quick reminder if anyone's interested, for Thursday night at 6 is when we are going to have our big Rocket League night. Okay? There's going to be all kinds of cool graphics like this. There's going to be a little pre show where I'm talking to you guys while we're waiting for people. So please get the word out. Tell 3 people, tell them to tell 3 people. We want a big turnout. Everybody's going to be there. All right, so look forward to that. We're going to have some good surprises, good matches, and I will see you next time. Adios.